Wait me, Ben, ha? I will download them. Hoy, nga naman na. Tangan mo. Pag na, butay ka mo. Kuya, get up. Wait me, Ben. Now in Unit 4B, Ben, 4B. So advanced. Okay, changing world. We're going to talk about changing world. Okay, so here, Ben, we are now in Unit 4B. Okay, you read the text. Which future seems more likely to you? Utopian or the dystopian? Why? Okay, please read.
Okay.
So what do you think? What do you think, Ben, is our life today? Are we in the utopia or in the dystopia period nowadays?
Utopia.
Okay, we
Utopia.
are in the today, nowadays. What have you seen nowadays, Ben?
For me, it's kind of normal. Nothing
We
special.
are in the today, we are in dystopia. Okay. Humans is suffering from diseases. Many people now easily die or died early. They linked to obesity and inactivity. There were infectious diseases like what happened to COVID, right? So there were bacteria that developed resistance to antibiotics. So it's really different now. Okay. So we are now in the period of dystopia. But like in 20 years ago, Ben, we had utopia. We are in the period of utopia 20 years ago. Like 30 years ago, still we are in the utopia. Everything, we don't have internet yet. Okay, so everything is just so simple. We don't have gadgets. So we are in utopia. But now again, nowadays, we are now dystopia. So diseases comes out so easily and people died early. So what do you mean then by compound future tense? So future continuous. Future continuous. Always remember that when you say future or continuous, we have ing. Okay, like playing, ing. Okay, future continuous. Okay, so we have ing for the future continuous. Like we will be playing. That's future continuous. Okay, we use the future continuous then to talk about an action that will be in progress at a certain point in the future. This time tomorrow, I'll be taking my driving tests. Okay. Talk about a plan or arrangement which is definite. It means this afternoon, we'll be sitting in the House of Parliament. Okay, where you will be set? In the Houses of Parliament. So that is definite. Okay. Make polite inquiries in formal situation like, will you be having breakfast at the hotel? That is polite inquiries, polite questions. Okay. Speculate about something happening now. You try to think. You try to speculate. I'm sure Luis will be having a great time in the USA. So you are thinking that Luis will be having a great time in the USA. Okay. But the future perfect simple, again, this is the future. You have to parok will have plus the past tense. Okay. Will have finished. Okay. We use the future perfect simple to, again, Ben, future perfect simple, it's in the future. Okay. So we use the future perfect simple to say how long situation will have existed by a certain point in the future. Okay. Talk about completed or uncompleted action in the future. It speculates about completed action in the present. Okay, it's quite okay. This one, Ben. Let's move to this. Okay. So we have here, Ben, the future continuous. What will be the future continuous here? Future perfect simple. Wait, Ben, ha? So you, okay. Future perfect simple, Ben. This is the pattern, Ben, ha? I will have finished. Have, has or have plus the past perfect. Okay. And the future perfect continuous, combine then, will have been playing. If there's been plus the ing, that is future perfect continuous. Okay, that's combination. Okay, this one. Okay, please answer number 1, 2, 3. Okay, you will be, okay, be playing. Ben, be playing. This one, Ben. Ben, future perfect simple. Perfect simple, not future tense. This will finish is future tense. We are talking future perfect simple. What you will do?
Hello?
Ben, will finish is future tense. Future tense. We are talking future perfect simple. What is the future perfect simple for finish?
Okay, okay. Okay.
Okay. So Ben will have finished. No Ben. No bin. Okay, here, future perfect continuous is correct. Will have been working. Okay. Will have been working. Okay. So have been. Okay. Okay. Now here, sorry. Okay. Okay. So we are reading about utopia and dystopia as what teacher Ann told you. How many more example of these tenses can you find in the text? Okay. Please give me future continuous for an action in progress. Okay. Example. So, okay. Will the world have improved? Okay. Okay, so this is will the world have improved? Okay, please write the future continuous and future perfect. So, ano wag mong sasabihin? String. Wala shift. Dilo. Kada lagi string also string bands. Dili ma. Cover na? Hmm. Kanang banda. Kasi
Okay.
okay. Will be living, correct this one. Teacher. Okay. Will have been eradicated. This is in. Okay. And will have been working future continuous. Will be suffering, will be returning. Okay. It is easy, Ben, to identify. Okay, very easy to identify the future continuous. Need more practice. Okay, please. Okay, so this one. Complete the sentences using the correct form of compound, future tense, active or passive. Okay. And say whether each treatment belong to utopian or dystopian. Okay, this one. People will be living in smart cities. Sorry, later na. Okay, just do not write utopian or dystopian yet. Just write here. The correct compound future tense. So string ba, Day?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So humans not do. Okay, won't be doing manual jobs anymore. Oh my God. Okay. Cities will have become desperately overcrowded. More and more people, okay, will be competing. Okay, Ben, we are talking here only future perfect tense, future continuous, and future perfect continuous. Okay, climate change will have costs. Then combustion engines will have been banned, and governments will have tackled climate change successfully. So this is what happened. So due to the climate change, people get easily sick because the weather changes. Okay. Artificial intelligence or the AI will have surpassed human intelligence long ago. And for years, computers will have been helping humans to improve the world. Humans will have lost their possession as the most intelligent creatures on earth forever and won't be making any important decisions about the world. Okay, as you can see now, it's already the AI who works for us. Okay, so these are utopian. Number one, people will smart city surrounded by helpful technology. Humans won't be doing manual jobs. This is utopian. Okay, dystopian cities desperately overcrowded. Okay, that's dystopian. Okay, in Manila, in the capital city, in Hanoi, and Ho Chi Minh, these are capital cities. So of course, it is very okay. It is very common.
Okay.
Okay. Next is dystopian, climate change. Okay. The weather to be dangerously unstable. So this is dystopian. As what teacher Ann told you, this is the cause why weather changes and people easily get sick. Okay. Combustion engines. Okay. These are the utopian. Okay. And governments will have tackled climate change successfully. So this is positive side. AI. AI will have surpassed human intelligence long ago and for years. Computers will have been helping humans to improve the world. Okay, that could be. Humans will have lost their position as the most intelligent creatures in Earth forever. So this become, so if the time that humans will have lost their positions, okay, like robots will be working, will become the waiter, will become the server in the restaurant, that's the time that human will have lost their possession. And that's become dystopian. Okay? So it could be dystopian. Now, please decide if the underlined verbs refer to the present or the future. Just write F or P.
Okay.
Okay, so future, future, Future Ben, I will be. Okay. Okay. He have been revising. Okay, so Seth looks tired. Okay, since about 6 o'clock this morning. This morning. Okay. Okay, so hard 4 months by then. And then present, do you think your friends will be watching it too? It's such an exciting match. Here, when completing the sentences with the correct form of the verb include in the adverb. Okay. Sample. If you arrive at 9 p.m., I'll most likely have done. Okay. My homework, all my homework.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, probably won't be showing. Okay. So hopefully won't have eaten. It will definitely be repeating this, and then it will probably been wearing. And she no doubt, oh, no doubt won't have read, or no doubt she won't have read. Now, Ben, what do you think is the difference when notch and WPI? Okay, what is nudges? Okay, notch and WPI.
Well,
Hmm?
I don't
It's
know.
hard.
Uh,
Okay. Nudges, what is nudge? Nudge are similar to WPI, but their effect is more immediate. Okay, immediate it means fast. Okay. Government have shown a great deal of interest in nudges because they offer a way of altering people's behavior. Altering it means changing. Altering people's behavior without the need for new laws. In one study, researchers wondered whether nudge could improve the health of people who were not eating enough fruit and vegetables. They drew a line across the middle of the supermarket, shopping trolleys, and wrote fruit and vegetables on one side. Because it looked as if one half of the space in the trolley was for fruit and vegetables. Shoppers bought more. Okay? A nudge is a suggestion and its effect is more immediate. A WPI is wise psychological intervention is an intervention that removes a mental block. Okay. So this is we're talking here about the mind. Okay. Okay, quantifiers ban. These are banned considered as quantifiers. Quantifiers, okay, some, any, and no. We use some with plural and uncountable nouns. Always remember, some is used for uncountable nouns. Okay. We use plural and uncountable nouns. So, we can use some with plural and uncountable nouns in affirmative sentences to mean a number of, we got some coffee and biscuit in offers. Would you like some tea? Okay, that's uncountable nouns. We can use any with plural and uncountable nouns in negative sentences and questions. We haven't got any biscuits. Have we got any coffee? Okay, any use with plural and uncountable nouns in negative sentences and questions. If you can see negative sentences and questions, we use the quantifiers any. Okay, but still it's for uncountable nouns. Okay, we can use any before singular, plural, or uncountable nouns in affirmative sentences to mean it doesn't matter which. Visitor from any country are welcome here. Okay, actually, we can use any even though it's not negative. Okay, it is located before, okay, it is before singular, plural, or uncountable noun. So, any country. Okay, country is, okay, singular. Okay, visitors from any country are welcome here. Okay, this is singular, country, only one. So we use any. But mostly, any bin is used for negative sentences. Like, we have not got any biscuits. I came out without any money. So this is negative. Use any. Now, we can use no, meaning not any, to be slightly more empathetic. Like, there is no cheese in the fridge. So it means you're saying that there is meaning not or no more. Okay, not any. To be slightly more empathetic. At least it will not be harsh for you. Like when I say, oh, where's the cheese? No cheese? Or like that. There is no cheese in the fridge. Okay, that is, we can use no, meaning not any. Okay, that's negative. Okay, so again, Ben, we call this as quantifiers. Okay, again, we call it as quantifiers. Some, any, and no. Actually, there are many quantifiers so far. Okay, so much, many, a lot of these are also quantifiers. Okay, we use these quantifiers with still uncountable nouns to talk about large quantity of something, a lot of, load, a great deal. Okay, we use these quantifiers with countable nouns to talk about large number of something. Okay, lot of is for countable nouns. Okay, a lot or lots of, loads of colloquial, many, a large number of. Okay. We use these quantifiers with uncount to talk about large quantity of something. A lot of or a lot of. Okay, the same. We use this kind with countable nouns to talk. If it's quality, large quality of something, even though it's uncountable, we can use a lot of. Even though it's countable, but it talks about large number of something, it's still, okay, a lot of. Note that in affirmative sentences, much and many are quite formal and sometimes unnatural. In spoken English, we would normally use a lot of instead. Okay, instead of I eat a lot of food at lunchtime. So we don't say I eat much food at the lunchtime. Okay, we rarely use this when I say I ate much food at lunchtime. It's rare. Most likely I ate a lot of food at lunchtime. Okay? So Ben, we don't have enough time for now. So Teacher Anne will say goodbye and I will see you, Ben, on next week. Okay, Ben?
Okay.
Okay, bye for now, Ben. Okay, by the way, we can have class if okay with you. Are you free on, wait, Ben, like, are you free tomorrow, Ben? I know.
Uh, Let me ask my mom.
Okay, you can tell your mom, okay? Because we have in class last Saturday. Okay, Ben?
Okay.
Okay, bye for now, Ben. Thank you so much.
Bye.
If you have time, please tell teacher So we can have class on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday evening. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.